Hi, Brian Swanson here. Just wanted to show you a quick preview of a new feature coming out, which is a capture link. We have the ability to embed this link onto a web page. A typical example is that you're trying to capture an identity document, say a driver's license, proof of address document, like a bank statement or utility bill, phone bill, or any other type of document. And users on a web page, they're on their desktop and they want to be able to capture that document. So what we'll do is we'll configure a link that allows us to go out to our Lens for browser, capture that document, have that submit to the back end, and then come back in to your process on your form. So in this demo today, we're just trying to show you how that QR code is configured to be able to get the person over to use Lens for browser to capture the document. So here you'll see I'm on our configure page. I get to pick which type of document I'm doing. So receipt or invoice, bank statement, check. In this case, I'm doing a driver's license, any docs, US driver's license. Then there's a whole host of settings that you can use to configure the experience from the strings that are put up. You might want to change the oops, there appears to be a problem, or the blurry message. But also then whether or not you want to do auto capture or have them hit the submit button. If you're doing the front and back of a card, we can set up to be able to do things like capture back of a check, or for any docs, doing 2 pages. Make sure you enforce that you get both sides as part of that process. So you can explore in here what all the various different customizations are, but there's quite a few to allow you to customize that experience. Once you're done with that, we can have all of those in place. I'm going to now switch over to my phone. I'm going to share my phone with you so that you can see what it's like, capture that QR code. So I'm now going to share what that looks like from the phone side. So now I'm going to point the phone at that QR code. By then clicking on the QR code, it allows me to use Lens for browser, point it at the document, hit submit. It's now sending that off to the back end. As soon as that's done, right, the phone can get shut down. I see that I've submitted it successfully. I can then go back to my app and pick up from where I left off with that attachment as part of it. So technically on the back side, we're using Webhooks to let your application know that that has been extracted successfully. You can now use the get call to be able to get the information and the preview image or the image, display that, the results of that up on your web page. So hopefully that's something that'll be useful for you. Look forward to exploring the next steps.